Hello friends, welcome to Sam Biology class. The glands of the body may be divided into two different groups such as exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands are those with external secretions. They pass their secretion through specific ducts. For example, sweat, lacrimal, and mammary glands pass their secretions along specific ducts to the external surface of the body. Similarly, glands of mouth, stomach, and intestine pass their secretion along specific ducts into the digestive tract. The second group of glands is endocrine glands, which are ductless. They pour their secretions directly into the blood or into the interstitial fluid. Examples of endocrine glands are pituitary gland, hypothalamus, thyroid gland, adrenal cortex, and so many. The endocrine glands secrete specific chemicals known as hormones, which work together in a coordinated manner to achieve homeostasis. Endocrine system is a collection of endocrine glands which work together by releasing specific hormones in order to regulate various physiological processes in our body. The study of structure and function of endocrine system is endocrinology. Types of endocrine glands. The endocrine glands can be classified into three different groups such as classical endocrine glands, paracrine glands, Number 3, autocrine glands. First one is classical endocrine glands, whose hormones are transported by blood to a distant target tissue where it exercises its influence on specific processes. For example, thyroid gland. So for the hormones that are secreted by the classical endocrine glands, the site of action is located at a distance from the site of synthesis. Second type of endocrine gland is paracrine glands, whose hormones act locally. That means the hormones produced by paracrine glands act on adjacent cells. For example, somatostatin produced by D cells act on the adjacent alpha and beta cells. Third type of endocrine gland is autocrine glands, whose hormones act on the same cell in which they are synthesized. For example, platelet activating factor is a hormone which is produced by platelet. It also acts on the platelet. So these are three types of endocrine glands found in the body. Next we shall discuss about classification of hormones. Based on their chemical nature, hormones can be classified into three different groups, such as steroid hormones. Second group is protein and peptide hormone. And third one is amino acid derivative. Steroid hormones include cortisol, testosterone, and estrogen. Second group of hormone is protein and peptides. For example, insulin, glucagon, and somatostatin. These hormones are proteins or peptides. Third group of hormones is amino acid derivatives that include epinephrine, norepinephrine, serotonin, melatonin, and others. So friends, this is just an introduction on hormones. In next video, we shall discuss about receptors, type of receptors, and mechanism of hormone action. So friends, I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.